I love the word opportunities. For me, it is pure energy, where there are opportunities. Working with color and the material, we get some new interesting possibilities. And as they say, rush into these things. I see my connection with the universe. I even had the work, Apple in the Universe. And they always ask me, what do you have with the universe? All work tends to somewhere up. There will always be creators who create powerful streams of energy, heat and light. A world is born where everyday life blooms with different colors. A unique image is revealed in everyday objects, where harmony and beauty reign. We can say Guljanat Kabujanova is such an artist. The artist works with felt and creates the art of batik. Her passion for felt is unlimited. Felt for her is not just material. She perceives it at the level of her own genetic consciousness, and it serves as a true code of the historical memory of the people. The Ili Kurgans, especially the Basilic Kurgans, showed the virtuosity of our ancestors and how the Kazakhs retained the ability to sculpt, the ability to feel, the ability to understand felt. And this is the main asset of our modern culture. It is our centuries-old traditions and remained in the heritage today.
Чувствуется гармония, какое-то...
I feel harmony, some kind of high meaning, some kind of mystery. How did this even happen? How did this squiggle turn into an ornament? This love is felt for national traditions, but it is felt that the presentation is close to the modern man. It is very vivid.
Человеку подается как-то живо.
Tekemets, Sirmaks, they are especially warm, and each of her works, we feel the energy of the earth, the energy of nature, the energy of this heat, and the warmth of her work. It is right in everything, and you know, and in the ornament too, and in color, and of course in the way it is surprisingly combined.
Подается как-то живо более, что ли, не как декоративное.
It is presented somehow vividly, not as decorative, but something natural. And when you communicate with Guljanat, you always feel the warmth that she carries. I liked how she presents this national thing, with some trepidation, with love, and that she is proud of this, and she loves it. And she does not stick it out. Somehow everything is organic, everything is beautiful.
Как-то все органично, все так красиво. Вообще, свое детство, конечно, я сейчас вспоминаю как сказку, потому что какие-то детали...
I remember my childhood as a fairy tale, because some details were forgotten, but images remained in my memory. I have a big family, wonderful parents. We somehow had a holiday. We knew how to work, because our parents were hard-working people. My brothers, sisters, who grew up like God's dandelions, as in forest, in a field, and in a meadow.
Росли как вот, ну, как божьи одуванчики, так вот, как в лесу, как в поле, как в лугу. Помните ее картину, где она сделала...
Remember the picture. Where did she paint the yurt? There it is felt that we fall into space through the yurt, through Shanarak. And when you lie in the yurt, or if someone is lucky to be in a yurt and look through the Shanarak at the starry sky, one can remember childhood. Then there is a connection, like you are in this universe, not just on Earth, not on our planet, and somehow you are in the universe.
На планете нашей, а как ты во Вселенной находишься?
All the time you think, why did Guljanat begin using the felt? But this is a family tradition. Since the time of Herodotus, everyone spoke about the skill of our masters, our ancestors, precisely about their ability to work with the felt.
Отец у меня, да, действительно, он был технологом, высококлассным специалистом по пушнению шерсти.
My father was a technologist, a high-class specialist in fur and wool. It was wonderful, white and orange, and grey and silver. We ran straight ahead and jumped onto these bales of wool. It was wonderful. I was lucky with my mother, a unique woman. She did such wonderful things. Now these women are called artists, and in the past, the craftswomen. So I always looked at my mother as she beautifully laid out the patterns. She could directly make pictures in her mind, you see.
Это то, что говорил Григорий Николаевич Потанин.
This is what Nikolai Grigorievich Potanin said. The diligence of the Kazakh woman turned in the yurt, because everything accumulates in the yurt. Her work's aspiration, element of water, abundance, procession, all these speaks of the historical stages that were on our land, which are made of the warmest, most necessary, and most anxious material. This is the golden fleece that the Kazakhs have kept. And indeed, this skill and hard work, her imagination, her peacemaking, it manifested in those works that pleased the eye.
Творчество, оно проявилось вот на тех работах, которые сегодня радуют глаз.
Of course, I didn't start using the felt immediately. I finished an art education class. I painted portraits, still lifes, but at some point, even now I can't remember, at some point, I seemed to have woken up and returned to my origins, to what I saw in my childhood. Suddenly, I felt such a powerful energy of wool. I felt that it was all mine. When I take wool, it is like I become white and fluffy. It would seem that it could be simpler. A piece of wool is taken and crumpled until it turns into a dense material. This is an imaginary illusion. In fact, not everyone can work with felt. Perhaps you need a special energy, your personal investment in the creation. Of course, you still need to have the best human qualities, so that later, the created thing would be filled with light and special warmth. This is magic, of course.
На самом деле работа с войлоком – это очень кропотливый труд. Там надо каждую ниточку, каждую ворсиночку поставить так, расположить, как хочется тебе.
In fact, working with felt is very hard. There you need to set every thread, every villus as you want, in a way you are going to express it. And this comes from a person who has something to share, and he shows it as if it is simple, as if everything is easy, and it attracts. This combination of colors, these air lines, this texture, are felt in felt, because there is a spatial, everything looks in one dimension.
Вот это сочетание красок, вот эти линии воздушные, это очень чувствуется легкость. И вот эта вот фактура в войлоке, потому что там пространственно все смотрится, не в одном измерении.
The keen sense of the material has always pushed Guljanat Kabizhanova forward to experiment. An exceptionally gifted artist discovered new technical possibilities in her beloved folk and ancient material. Yes, she appreciates the tolerance of the felt to experiments and loves wool for its energy. The artist uses the wealth that has developed over the centuries, Tekimet, Sırmak, applications, to implement a variety of ideas.
Сама экспериментировала, и как мне иногда даже...
It was an experiment, and even they say to me, "Your works are similar to the Baltic ones." I lived there. I observed everything there. Apparently, every artist tries to express himself in his own way, and recently, especially at the last exhibitions, I let go of all the canons. I just obeyed the material, technology, and as a matter of honor, so that each artist must work in order his face to be recognizable.
Дело чести, наверное, чтобы каждый художник имел свое лицо, был узнаваем, и это идет откуда-то из...
And it comes from somewhere inside, from our roots. And this is understandable to any person who did not come into contact with felt, but for the first time discovered it for himself. But here, everything is so clear, and one feels that he will like it further.
Чувствуется, что это все будет развиваться дальше.
Войлок, по мнению многих ученых, является древнейшим видом текстиля. Существует легенда...
Felt, according to scientists, is an ancient type of textile. There is a legend, which is 8,000 years old, that during the flood, Noah collected animals on the ark, and the sheep were in the same place, and the wool fell from the sheep and got wet. They trampled this wool with their hooves, and when the flood ended, people saw the first prototype of the felt carpet. But the most ancient carpet that has come down to us dates from the 5th century BC, and it was found in the Barrow Basilic. Together with the basilic carpet, the felt saddle mat was found, on which Ram was depicted. The horns were very visible. The horn-shaped ornament. These horns were a symbol of wealth and prosperity of the family. This is a solar circle, which is the personification of the sun, the revival of nature, fertility. Tekimet is the first deck of the carpet, which covered the earth, as well as applications, mosaic techniques with the help of which Sırmak was made, painted only with natural coloration. The favorite color of the Kazakhs was red. In Kazakh ornaments, a lot of richest meanings are coded from ancient basilic times.
В казахских орнаментах закодировано очень много глубочайших смыслов, которые дошли до нашего времени с древнейших пазарыкских времен.
Вообще я поразилась, что войлок воспринимается везде замечательно. Я думала, как раз в силу своей энергетики.
In general, I was amazed that felt is accepted warmly everywhere. I thought just because of my energy, due to the fact that this is a noble natural material. This is handmade. Everyone wants to touch. Felt generally brings comfort. To tell the truth, Europe is interested in felt for several thousand years. They like it all. But it's all different. They admire our ornament.
Потому что это совсем другое. Даже тот же орнамент. Они восхищаются нашим орнаментом, который вьется.
Her felt panels are notable for their particular caloric culture. The ornament is woven into modern history. The author's interpretation of traditions, so characteristic of contemporary art, is embodied in the works of Gulzhanat Kabuzhanova with a special, only inherent delicacy. There is a deep knowledge and subtle perception of Kazakh art, a complex of science and elements of their own. Individual ornament is created.
У нас есть орнамент, я его выкладываю.
We have an ornament. I spread it. It suits. That's what I mastered and proud of it. Something unique. You can't find that in other countries and nations. And then our colors are red, green, and the color of the sun. Everything is perceived well with a positive attitude.
Воспринимается, конечно, на ура, на позитиве. Она умеет сложные вещи преподнести как-то.
She knows how to present difficult things in a way that is understandable to anyone, even to a person who doesn't know about it. It is due to her experience, I think, her wisdom, because she treats the person with understanding and love.
С каким-то, с любовью, с теплотой к человеку.
Чем удивительно творчество Гульжанат,
What makes Guljanat's creativity amazing is her love for the past and respect for the present. This is so organic that her work will always be recognizable. They will always look for their masters. They will decorate any interior, international interior.
интерьер и международные интерьеры.
Guljanat Kabuzhanova is a member of the Union of Artists, professor, teacher of decorative art of the Kazakh National University. She is a regular participant of large exhibition projects. Her works are admired by the audience and are kept in private collections around the world. Traditionally, Kazakh art in the hands of the artist becomes more rare and unique masterpieces of art and is perceived as elements of the ornament or as symbols that express a certain idea.
Иногда думаю, это я ли это сделала какую-то?
I sometimes think, did I do some work? Because when it's done already, or in the process, even in the form of a big fluffy shovel, when you do it, it just blesses you. This is probably the work bestows on you than you do. Because you just touch this airy fluff, watch how it changes, then the color combinations, then you will have high spirits all the time. And I think that thanks to the fact, this work, Kazakhstan will always be recognizable, because this is ours, this is our all. Thanks to which, we today play the role of a nomadic culture in the new third millennium. When I do an exhibition, and this work is very hard, I work very hardly, and I don't sleep at night, and I work day and night. This is such material, and my love apparently, and it loves me back. I mean, it is mutual. Paintings written on silk. This is not ornaments and rock paintings. Shimmering silk painted with bright colors. These are not just decorative items, but works of art, which is independently living and breathing. The subtle beauty of the material helps to emphasize the elegance of the pattern, with an exquisite color scheme. There is a belief that this is not just a painting on fabric. Creation was considered sacred and served as an amulet. Pay attention, feel. Pictures give positive energy and light. Everything has a soul. Each work never ceases to amaze and captivate with its harmonious grace.
Batik
has technological capabilities that cannot be transferred either on paper or on canvas. I call them special effects. You add love to color, to a spot, to a line. You know, you get such works that you probably didn't think about. And surely silk brings their nobility, because it is impossible to convey this glitter of silk in any material. Here, in essence, I feel like an artist who, for example, has clothes in his hands, instead of a canvas, a brush and oil paints.
Для масляных красок у меня в руках ткань.
Художественная роспись ткани батик известна во всем мире. Родиной батика является Индия.
Art painting of fabric, batik, known throughout the world. Homeland of batik is India, Indonesia, Bali. This method is common throughout the world, and in the 90s it came to us in Kazakhstan, and it was presented by the Batini group for several years. There are several types of painting on silk: hot, traditional or cold, when thin lines are drawn like a stained glass window. Batik is a mosaic on silk. Now paintings are delivered on silk, a panel and a whole collection of clothes. Each author creates his own unique pattern, his own unique composition. We work on natural fabrics. This is our advantage. We love to work on crepe de chine so much.
Краска растекается, знаете, она вот ведет себя там, как хочет, и ведет себя очень хорошо, ну, то есть красиво. Конечно, в батике я вот погружаюсь.
The paint spreads. It behaves as it wants. Behaves well, so beautiful. Well, of course, in batik, I dive into color, into drawing, into a stain. But this fabric can be rumpled. You can give some folds and then spray paint on it. And when you open, sometimes you just wonder how. It's all me, and some images have been created. What I like in batik, here is a completely different language. Language is conditional, generalized. And here we speak the decorative language, the language of symbols, signs and color spots.
Обобщенный. И здесь мы говорим на декоративном языке, на языке символов, знаков, цветовых пятен.
Color spots splash in the works of his students. Guljanat Kabzhanova, candidate of Pedagogical Sciences, associate professor of the Kazakh National Pedagogical University, named after Abay. The works of his students are exhibited at various exhibitions. Perhaps this is the thread that connects time. I try not to inculcate any technical skills, but to develop a sense of color, a sense of lines, a sense of format, even a sense of theme. We say that I teach them. In fact, I am learning from them. This is such a source. The main thing is to wake up the soul. Looking at the artist's masterpieces is like drinking from a spring, awakening the soul. Through the centuries and years, a stunning presentation of Tekemet, Sirmak, exquisite clothing. Guljanat Kabzhanova, like an enchanted wanderer, takes us on a journey through the world that awakens genetic consciousness and gives birth to all the best human. And this is all we'll take with us. We'll never forget.